Though my lodge may lack the splendor of a temple or a shrine, or possess the gaudy fixtures that are classed as superfine, yet the fellowship it offers is in a price beyond compare, and I wouldn't trade it ever for life's treasures rich or bare. The hand clasped firm, the word of cheer, oh, such meanings they impart, the mystic ties of brotherhood that links us heart to heart. You'd really have to travel far for the friendships quite so strong as those one always find right here in the lodge where I belong. When all my earthly travels end and at last I'm born to rest, where mortal hands no longer toil and I cease life's endless quest, why, there's nothing I'd like better, should I join the heavenly throng, than to meet with all the brothers of the lodge where I belong.